Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the device. Charge the watch to around 50% so AOD tests won't be interrupted. Once paired, open the Fastrack companion app and confirm firmware is current, because updates often add AOD fixes. Now, on the watch itself, swipe to Settings and tap Display. This is where AOD lives. You're doing this now to avoid extra steps later, so proceed directly to the Display menu and get the AOD option visible. Once in display, toggle Always on Display on and watch the preview to confirm the face appears as expected. Then choose the AOD style, analog or digital. Set brightness lower than active mode to balance visibility and battery, and pick a timeout or schedule if available. Make sure the companion app granted necessary permissions for notifications and data sync, because AOD can depend on those settings. Doing this ensures you control both appearance and power impact before finalizing. To finish, lock the watch and check the ambient display for about 5 to 10 seconds so you can verify Always on Display is active. If it does not appear, make sure battery saver or low power modes are disabled, then resync with the companion app. Those features commonly block AOD. If problems persist, reboot the watch. If that still fails, update firmware or perform a factory reset as a last resort. One quick troubleshooting tip: always confirm battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.